Hey, we had a request to do just to show off the backside of this projector conversion. This is pretty typical of most conversions that we do that require a dust cap or a boot. We call these weather caps. They come in different sizes: 75 millimeter, 80 millimeter, 90 millimeter, 100 millimeter. So three sizes. They can be stretched. They can be kind of tucked in. You know, the use of these is always more of a creative approach. They are strong and they'll hold up over time. You just have to figure out what you want to do. So you can see this, I believe it's 100 millimeter. It was stretched over the original, back end over there. That's actually where the factory ballast was, but with the way that this projector is mounted, it's a very long projector. It's already sticking out pretty far, and it's actually fully recessed. Recessed meaning it's as deep as it can go. And that interferes with the original ballast that once sat here and kind of made a nice little kind of cap and a plate for it. But I'm not going to undo this cap because it's been siliconed on. Under there is the neck of the D2S 4.0, which is known to be a little bit longer. And the issue is that it sticks out further, so you need a cap. You can't use the factory ballast. It's not that big of a deal. This customer's upgraded 50 watt anyway, so they're kind of going big. But the truth is that this is common. Sometimes we can reuse the original cap. So on the high beam there was original grommet. We call it. Wasn't really a cap because it just seals off the back end of the reflector. But this is a whole new cap and assembly. It's 80 millimeter. It's kind of been pressed into the groove. There's silicone on there. Looks a little discolored, but that's just how they come. And then you got one high beam input. So that's going to connect to the factory input. We always make a plug and play like that. Internally, both projectors are wired together to operate as high beam. So you only see one plug. Make that easy for you guys. But you got connections. This is the original wiring. We took a splitter. This used to plug into the ballast. We took a splitter and actually added two 9006 inputs on there. So what that'll do is one will plug into a ballast, the other one is going to plug into an extra relay harness that's going to run these extra projectors. So because it is a Xenon from the factory, you can easily run that ballast off the factory wiring, and then a new one's going to connect, and you'll have a relay powering off the extra set of ballasts off the battery. But that's about it. Sometimes you'll see us stretch the grommets over the projector and seal off. Every application is different. This is the best approach because you have a full weather cap that's covering the backside of the projector and the headlight assembly, so no dirt, debris, any water is going to get back in there. If you guys have any questions, you can email us. We have a lot of these build materials and accessories on the website, and we can help you get started on your project, all right? Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Contact us if you have any questions. Thanks.